Alright, gate drops on the 26.
Go, mommy!
30. Ladies Cruiser, Ferry, Crawl,
Go, Leash!
and Mall.
Go, Leash! Oh my gosh!
That is a 7:28.
Pedal, Leash!
Ferry, but it looks like Alice Mall.
Stay with it! Stay with it!
Whoa! Pedal, Leash!
Put that up too wide. Hard to say who's in the lead.
Pedal, Leash! Pedal, Leash!
Ferry.
Oh.
Whoa, a little bump. We're dancing line.
Pedal, Leash!
And it will be the 7 bike of Alice. Alright, gate drops 22nd round of 26:30. Ladies open, or excuse me, girls cruiser. We got Paul, Hopkins, and Mall with the transfer first round, so it's Ferry, Paul, and Hopkins. Looks like Ferry up in the 1. Paul and Hopkins in the 2-3.
There's the mommy. Say pedal, mommy. Pedal, Leash, pedal! Oh.
The main event, 727 Ferry with the transfer. 6:30 girl cruisers, Paul and Hopkins taking one of these riders to the main event.
From now on,
Paul
you're going to
up
listen
in
to
the
Mom.
1, Hopkins in pursuit.
I'm kind of upset that you're still there. You are not to go anywhere on the gate.
Paul got a little squirrel coming out of the turn now, but good recovery and back on it.
Pedal, Leash! Go, 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 go! Pedal, pedal, pedal!
7-2-9 of Paul. Let's hear it for the 5-5-2 of Hopkins. Alright, they dropped on 26:30 girls cruiser.
Pedal, Leash!
And Mall. Looks like Mall in the 1 Ferry in the 2. Paul.
Pedal, Leash!
This is the main event in the 26:30 girls cruiser.
Keep it going, Leash. You're doing good.
Alright, they're bringing it out of the third turn into the line. It looks like the 7 bike of Mall is up in, whoa, 7 bike down.